Hello everyone, I welcome you once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Alright, today we'll be treating subtraction of matrix part 1. Alright, first of all let us recall that two matrices can only be subtracted when they are of the same size, when their row and column are equal. For example, if we have matrix A to be equal to a 2 by 2 matrix, that is 2 row and 2 column, and we have matrix B to be equal to 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now these are the two matrices. You can see that their sizes are equal. 2 row, 2 column each, that is a square matrix. So if we are to subtract matrix B from A, it simply means that we are going to subtract the corresponding element just as it is done for addition. So it will now be 2 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2. Here will be 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, and here will be 2 minus 0, 2 minus 0. The final outcome will now be 2 minus 1 is minus 1. Sorry, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Here will give us 0, and here will give us 1. So this is the outcome of the matrix when we subtract matrix B from matrix A. We have it as 2 row, 2 column, meaning having equal elements as it is in the both matrix that we subtracted. Thank you for watching this video. Do well to follow the page Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Bye bye.